So ayan guys, good day and happy Sabbath day. Now it's a Pearl Pathfinder day. So ayan, distribution tayo at visitation sa ating mga kapatiran dito sa bansang Pala. And it's with me, my wife, beautiful wife. Let's go! Pupunta tayo sa isang ito barracks ng mga enemies.
Bayan ng Diyos, salubungin natin siya. Bayan ng Diyos, salubungin natin siya.
So, okay lang ba na magpakilala? Anong pangalan mo?
Alex.
Alex? Alex, tapos ito si Alfie. Parati namin kasama. Ikaw, Jojo, Alex, at Alfie.
Remember someone is praying for you.
I-share kami sa iyo na isang mensahe. Ito sa Matthew 11, 28 to 30. Sabi dito, "Come to me, all you who labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon you and learn from me, for I am gentle and lowly in heart, and you will find rest for your souls. For my yoke is easy and my burden is light." Kung hindi magawa ng yung spouse natin.
Po ang buong sambahayan na inaalit tulad sa kanil Alfie at nawa Panginoon bigyan sila ng kalakasan, bigyan sila ng
So, paano lang? So, medyo tingnan niya. Sige.
Jesus